So hello, it's time for our 12 p.m. show, and obviously Boyada is here. You know, from the 10 a.m. show we did on Rohit Sharma. Now it will be all about what happened yesterday because it was an extensive session. Obviously they went with that full throttle energy. When we are talking, around this time, Indian team, the whole squad is here now in Birmingham. The T20 team, the members of the ODI squad, they have to join here in Birmingham. There were 7 of them, including the T20 I knew appointed captain Shreyas Iyer is also part of that. And today it's going to be the last practice session. It's the match day -1. The first thing, obviously, we have to see that will Virat and Rohit, will they be there? You know, Shubman Gill, KL Rahul, Jasprit Bumrah, Kuldeep Yadav, all are already here. And now it will be about the Prince Yadav, who got a chance, Buryada, in place of Harshit Rana. He was injured, and again, there was a lot of discussion around Harshit Rana because he's coming back from an injury, just played a series and again injured. So we have to talk about that in detail around that. But we also have to talk about, what happened till now and what we are expecting today. Anything specific you want to watch in today's practice session? There were multiple things going around with Rohit Sharma and Gautam Gambhir, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. What happened after that series in New Zealand, with New Zealand? This is going to be, start of another session, and we have to see that how it's going to, be there in Birmingham.
See, the first question for both of you, and let me ask because I was not part of the session. You guys were there. So the first question, Amit, you take this, Rohit also, both of you. By the way, that's the New Street Station, huh? That's Silver Building.
Okay.
So just just that one. Yeah, just that one. So we are in front of Mailbox in Birmingham, very central Birmingham. So the question that I wanted to ask Amit, both you and Rohit, you've now watched Virat for 2 days, Rohit for 2 days. You take Virat. What was the difference between Virat of day 1 and Virat of day 2? And Rohit can take Rohit of day 1 and Rohit of day 2.
See, Virat, I was thinking that Virat on a first day of the practice session, he was looking more aggressive. And few net bowlers were there. He was just hitting the ball throughout everywhere in the fielding, wherever they put the fielders. And especially, he used to play the leg side shot. Most number of the shots he is playing on the left side. But mine second day, he was a little bit struggling, which I feel because the quality of the net bowler was improved, and he came and they just bowled him on the sweat spot, 4 to 6 meters sweat spot, and he was struggling a bit in initial stage. But after that, Virat Kohli came and he just putting some lofted shot also, Rohit. So I think
So
see,
overall,
Virat
does he look good to you?
yeah, Virat is coming at number 3, number 4 in the batting order. So Virat का एक काम है, he need to score the runs.
I mean, 2 दिन देखने के बाद क्या आप बोलोगे? Does Virat Kohli give you the confidence?
मुझे तो देखिए दादा, अगर आप पूछेंगे, विराट कोहली 80 से 90 से 100 रन कहीं नहीं गए, बिकॉज इट्स अ 50 ओवर गेम. मुझे लग रहा है, देखिए, पब्लिक विराट कोहली को देखने आ रही है और विराट कोहली को पता है क्राउड को क्या चाहिए.
मैं आपको एक स्टोरी कहता हूँ. यही बर्मिंघम में ही हुआ था, टीम होटल में, 2018 वाला स्टोरी. अरे बाप रे, वो आ रहा है बोझा लेके पानी का. सेम होटल एंड माय the breakfast area is secluded. वो टीम के लिए अलग रखते हैं. And Aisha at that point was 4 years old. So she decided उसको मानना नहीं है, वो जाके टीम का ब्रेकफास्ट रूम में चला गया. So Shormishta is telling me जाओ उसको लेके आओ. I said यार मैं मीडिया हूँ, मैं वहाँ घुस जाऊंगा, लोग सोचेगा ये क्या कर रहा है, so क्यों आ रहा है. So then I told her तुम जाओ, because and Aisha has no this thing in the world, but that hotel रात का 9 साढ़े 9 बजे मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. All of a sudden Virat comes with this whole bottles of water. I said भाई कहाँ जा रहा है तुम? He said मैं जिम जा रहा हूँ. जिम जा रहा है? तुमने मैच खेला है? He said नहीं, अभी मैच खेलने बोलो, दोबारा खेल लेंगे. And then he's telling me आपको देख के लग रहा है आप बहुत थक चुके हैं, आप सो जाओ. I said तुम्हारा क्या सीन है? He said नहीं मैं तो अभी जिम जा रहा हूँ. So वो तो अलग ही है. ये Birmingham has given so many stories. But question to you, take it from him. Take it from him on Virat and then give me on Rohit.
So I think the first day, as far as Virat is concerned, he was looking really good. If you talk about spinners also, if you talk about pacers also. Today, as Shahbhai rightly said that, there were multiple, net bowlers also and high quality bowlers. Left arm pacers, right arm pacers, hitting the deck really well. and two of your very best. Means obviously I'm not comparing Gurnoor and Jasprit Bumrah, but the way Gurnoor was hitting the deck, it was coming onto the stickers of the bat, and it was, they were connecting it on shoulder height, or maybe this rib cage height, which was really a problem for batters. We all know that what that kind of a bounce do to you. But today Virat started against pacers. Yesterday he started against spinners. So when he started, it was a couple of nicks right away with against Jasprit Bumrah. There were some misses with Gurnoor Brar, and then there was 1 or 2 wickets for the net bowler also, and he was celebrating. The net bowler, he picked up Virat Kohli. What a big thing for him. But for me, the way Virat came back again, he went for the spinner's net, and then again those aggressive shots, unorthodox shots. More importantly, Buriada, you covered him extensively, and the way he was playing with those sweeps and those chips and those those reverse scoops.
Intensity tha practice mein.
Very much there. The aggressiveness of Virat Kohli. When his bat starts talking, that Virat Kohli is in touch. So against spinners, yes. Against fast bowlers, he looked not the kind of Virat Kohli we know, but then he again came and he said to Raghu and Nuwan, and he was telling them specifically to bowl him in certain lengths. So, and then when he came back again, he was looking again good. But again, you cannot compare a Raghu to a Jasprit Bumrah. If Jasprit Bumrah is bowling to you and you are nicking it couple of times, more than couple of times, and there were a lot of conversations. We have the video, you can see the video, that Jasprit Bumrah is constantly talking, and maybe he was saying, hey, edge laga diya maine. So it was like that also.
जब जसप्रीत बुमराह के बारे में बात कर रहे हो ना रोहित, मैं इस पे लिख भी रहा था. दोनों के लिए सवाल है कि मैं वो साउथहैम्पटन वाला मैच देख रहा था, and when the England bowlers were coming after us, and I was thinking back to your game in Wankhede and that Bumrah over. कि boss, you take Bumrah and you realize कि yes, ये सीरीज तो रोहित और विराट का है, बट प्लेयर तो बुमराह है. वो मैच निकालने वाला प्लेयर, वो जो 6 रन वाला 6 यॉर्कर वाला ओवर एट वानखेड़े. सो हाउ हैव यू सीन बुमराह? इज ही लुकिंग द पार्ट? दोनों.
मैं गुरनूर ब्रार को भी हम मिस नहीं करूंगा. रोहित, आपने देखा है
bowling brilliantly.
लगातार बुमराह उसको सिखाए जा रहे हैं, और आज तो विराट कोहली ने उनको बैटिंग के गुर भी सिखाए. वो एक अलग स्टोरी है, दैट वी विल शो इट टू यू. विराट वाज टेकिंग हिज क्लास. आपको यहाँ खेलना है, ये खेलना है, बिकॉज ही इज अ लेफ्ट हैंडर. तो ये भी अगर उसकी स्किल्स रही तो विराट उसको समझा रहे थे. बुमराह लगातार उसको बॉलिंग में समझा रहे. यस्टरडे बुमराह वाज बॉलिंग फ्रॉम द शॉर्टर रन अप. आज बुमराह का जो है फुल फ्लेज रन अप था. मतलब बुमराह ने आज पूरी तैयारी की है. कल पूरी टीम ने मिला के 50 से 60 मिनट बैटिंग सेशन किया. आज अकेले विराट 50 मिनट बैटिंग किया.
Over an hour. And the main thing is, and the main thing is, when you see Bumrah, the player in red ball, we all know the greatness. White ball, yes, we all remember the over you talked about. But look at his performance in the South Africa game also. We lost the South Africa game, but he continuously bringing us back into that tournament. Whenever the things are going little here and there, he was there. Remember that Eden Gardens over, 1 over, 2 wickets, and then completely, changed the course of the game. And then obviously the Mumbai game, and we all know that it was the one-sided one, the final I'm talking about in Ahmedabad. But in 2024 also, he was man of the tournament. And after this World Cup also, Buriada, there was a lot of debate around that. Will you give it to Sanju Samson? Will you give it to Jasprit Bumrah? Because again, in that high-scoring tournament, obviously we know what Sanju did, especially in those last 3 games. But Jasprit Bumrah in white ball cricket with this kind of intensity, brother, I haven't seen him, in white ball much. Because last ODI he played 19th November 2023. We all don't want to, go into that date. But the kind of intensity, I covered the 2026 T20 World Cup also. We went to each and every place. But the kind of intensity, Buriada, I'm seeing at this point of time cannot compare this to any other match day scenario or match day -1, -2 practice session. And the second part of it is the kind of atmosphere these guys are creating.
Excellent.
Means the way Virat and Shubman was there, and Shubman said something to Jasprit Bumrah, and they were laughing aloud.
ये भी सवाल था यार कि देखो, obviously Shubman is the captain in red ball, white ball. All these fellows have been captain. Bumrah captain, KL captain, Rohit captain, Virat captain. So when your team is losing T20, they'll know कि इनको ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा to cheer up the dressing room. क्या वो लग रहा है तुम लोग दोनों को? They were doing that.
शुभमन गिल को कोई चिंता नहीं है. उसे पता है कि मेरे पास 2 फॉर्मर कैप्टन है, और वो पूरा बुमराह भी है, राहुल भी है, 4 है रादर. तो वो पूरा भार संभालेंगे. और द वे आज हमने जो बैटिंग देखा, कल भी हमने बैटिंग देखा, मुझे लग रहा है कि बैटिंग डिपार्टमेंट वी आर सॉर्टेड. एक नहीं, दूसरा नहीं, तीसरा नहीं, केएल राहुल तक प्योर बैटिंग लाइनअप हमारे पास है। और बुमराह की मैं बात करूंगा, एक बुमराह अंदर बाहर दोनों कर रहे हैं। यहाँ के विकेट पर जैसी हवा चल रही है ना बुरियादा, अंदर बाहर दोनों बुमराह करेंगे। और यहाँ पर रिवर्स स्विंग मिलता है, व्हाइट बॉल से रिवर्स स्विंग यहाँ मिलता है, बुमराह करेंगे। और मुझे लग रहा है कि प्रिंस यादव, उसको भी आप, गुरनूर तो है ही, प्रिंस यादव के पास।
गुरनूर के बारे में भी बताओ यार, तुम लोग दोनों बोल रहे हो गुरनूर के बारे में।
So there was a lot of discussion around when he was picked. You know, there was अरे शुभमन गिल का दोस्त है, जीटी के लिए खेलता है, इसीलिए आ गया. But just look at the modus operandi of how Ajit Agarkar and his team picking at this point of time. I'm talking about the players who are coming into the squad. You know, if you just remove a name of Harshit Rana there, everyone has come from the same kind of thought process, and that is go play India A, and if you're doing well in India A, then there is no one stopping you. There was a lot of debate around that, अरे Aqib Nabi को क्यों नहीं लिया? Why are you not picking Aqib Nabi? Because Aqib Nabi at this point of time, yes, he has done really well in Ranji Trophy, but if you look at him during that Sri Lanka the A series also, it was not the same kind of performance which you are getting in the Ranji Trophy also. I'm not saying that don't go with Aqib Nabi, but this selection committee is going, you know, with the main team with a single thought in mind that if you are doing really well in India, look at a Dhruv Jurel. He's again coming from the same process. Look at anyone who's getting a chance in this Indian cricket team. They all are coming after doing really well in the India A game. So if you look at his performances against South Africa, if you're looking, you know, his performance around the India A camp, you will find that Gurnoor is doing it really well. And Buryada, the second thing, you don't have bowlers who can, you know, drop it from a height of 6 feet 7 inch or 6 feet 6 inch and add a jump to it. It's almost 7 feet. So that's why when I'm, you know, you can see the visuals also. When Gurnoor Braz is bowling, the batters are going on their toe. You know, if it's a, you know, kind of a delivery, you are trying them to just push them back and then hitting the sticker of the bat. And I'm not talking about any ordinary batting lineup. I'm talking about the Kohlis and the Rohits and the Shubmans and the Rahuls. All are good, technically sound batsmen. They've played really well.
मुझे ये भी बताओ अमित, we've now talked about all, but हम कैप्टन के बारे में बात नहीं किया हम लोगों ने. अब बोल यार, पीआर मत बोल लेना, और बोलना है तो बोल लो, फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
कप्तान है, हम उसके बारे में
नहीं पीआर बोलो यार, बोलो, मुझे फिर क्या फर्क पड़ता है. ओनली हम लोग इतना भी बुद्धू तो है नहीं कि बिना पैसे में पीआर कर लेंगे.
ये भी
तो फिर
कि हाँ, उन्होंने ही हमें लंदन भेजा है.
नहीं मैंने भेजा है. इतना भी मत करो, मैंने भेजा है. ये रेड स्पोर्ट्स ने भेजा है, उसने नहीं. अगर पीआर करना है तो ज्यादा सब कुछ जाएंगे, ग्लासगो भी जाएंगे, किसी ने नहीं भेजा, रेड स्पोर्ट्स ने भेजा. पर शुभमन गिल के बारे में भी थोड़ा
देखिए. शुभमन गिल, मैंने कल भी उनको देखा, मैंने आज भी उनको देखा, संभल के खेल रहे हैं. ही नोज कि मेरे सामने एक पार्टनर ऐसा है कि अगर वो सेट हो गया, रोहित शर्मा की बात कर रहा हूं मैं, उसको पता है कि अगर वो सेट हो गया ना तो वो रुकने वाले में से नहीं है. नो डाउट रोहित थोड़ा
23 का ही अप्रोच से खेलेगा, आपको लग रहा है?
एग्जैक्टली. और देखिए शुभमन बच रहे हैं, शुभमन केवल ग्राउंड शॉट खेल रहे हैं. क्या आपको पता है इंग्लैंड में अगर आप टाइम ढंग से बॉल करोगे आपको रन मिलेंगे. पॉइंट कवर मिड ऑफ रीजन में शुभमन ज्यादा खेल रहे हैं और उन्हें पता है कि मैं और रोहित अगर स्ट्राइक रोटेट करते हैं, रोहित की भी निगाहें अगर बॉल पे जल्द के जल्द बैठ गई और रोहित को अगर एक बार लय में बॉल मिला, इंग्लैंड में बॉल आसानी से आपके बल्ले पर आता है. तो ऐसे में रोहित अगर अच्छा खेलता है, अगर शुभमन अच्छा स्टार्ट देता है तो रोहित मेरे हिसाब से सेट हो जाएगा और भारत जो है 100 पर 9 लॉस भी हो सकता है.
टेस्ट मैच है, लास्ट ईयर यहाँ पे 200. Does that kind of give you confidence? Because Leeds saw last year 750 runs. Shubman Gill को confidence तो 100% मिलने वाला है.
I think especially the kind of IPL he had, you know, there were a lot of things which he have to prove at this point of time, I think, because as a captain, yes, he has scored runs. As someone, you know, as you rightly said, in red ball, he has scored more than 700 plus runs. But Buryada, on the other hand, we have to see this, that India lost couple of ODI series in last 4 series. We have lost couple, and one which we won is versus Afghanistan. So for me, I think there will be a certain kind of pressure around Shubman also, because in Australia, his first ODI series we lost.
Yeah.
Yes, Rohit scored runs, Kohli scored runs. So the most of the debate around at that point of time was, अरे चलो रोहित के रन आ गए, विराट के रन आ गए. But after that,
उस समय फोकस T20 पे थी. अभी देखो चेंज होके इस पे आ गया है.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying, that when Shubman will, you know, start this particular ODI series, he has that in the, you know, backside of his mind that, you know, we have lost 2 series. Yes, he was not the captain in one of them, but I think if you see the kind of performance this team had, they lost versus New Zealand, they lost versus Australia, in between they won versus South Africa. The only good thing is there was a constant run as far as Virat Kohli is concerned. Because in that phase, you see a Rohit Sharma also not doing really well, especially against New Zealand. You see different players not able to contribute that much. So I think, and then again, already clean swept by England 4-0. We saw what happened in Belfast. We saw. So there must be, I think, something which is going, not very strong as far as this team is concerned. And the kind of bowling attack England had. They kept a plan, they backed that plan, and they kept on taking wickets, and we didn't have any kind of counter plans around that. So yes, there are multiple people now, as you rightly said in the opening part of the video, that you have a lot of calmness now because you have these experience, hell lot of experience if you talk about Virat, Rohit, KL, everyone. So I think yes, the calmness part will be there, the experience part will definitely work, but I think there will be something around their mind that in last 6 to 8 months, yes, ODI was not the focus, but they haven't did well.
Yeah. Last few minutes on the show, so you make your point, and then between the two of you, you have seen the practice. By the way, the wind is so strong that we are actually looking at the tripod, that the tripod can do a Jude Bellingham. So we have to be very conscious that the dive doesn't come in with the tripod. So be careful, huh? You might have to take that catch. You'll have to be better, take a better catch than Shivam Dube. Don't do a Shivam Dube.
No, I'm a very good slipper.
Good. Don't do a Shivam Dube that you fall the other side. Okay.
It's like the 2007 liver off.
Hey, wow! That single land. And Virendra Sehwag catch. Remember in Australia, he said, "Did you see my catch?" That statement. Anyway, but final question. You make your point. तुम लोग दोनों. What is your 11 for the first game?
Straight 11, which I feel that.
Point तुम कर रहे थे वो करो.
नहीं, मैं ये कारण शुभमन गिल पे बात हो रही थी. मुझे लग रहा है कि देखिए शुभमन गिल ओल्ड स्कूल क्रिकेटर है, जहां तक मुझे उनकी बल्लेबाजी लगती है. और ओल्ड स्कूल क्रिकेटर मैं इसलिए कहूंगा कि जब आप ओल्ड स्कूल क्रिकेटर की इट मींस जब आप आते हो किसी टूर पे, फॉरगेट अबाउट द रिजल्ट्स, आपकी पास्ट सीरीज में क्या हुआ है क्या नहीं, जब आप आते हो, आप लास्ट ईयर यहाँ पर आए थे, आप वो आपकी इनिंग्स विजुलाइज करते हो, आप आपकी चीज विजुलाइज करके आप देखते हो कि मैंने यहाँ पर इस मैदान में ये किया था, वो किया था. और वही चीज आज उनकी बल्लेबाजी में मैंने 2-3 दिन से देखा. उनका काम इतना है कि मुझे ग्राउंड शॉट से रन बनाने, मुझे एरियल शॉट नहीं खेलना, मुझे केवल जो है इंग्लैंड के पेस का इस्तेमाल करना है. यहाँ आउटफील्ड काफी फास्ट है, ये 50 ओवर का गेम है, आप गेम बिल्डअप करके खेलोगे. आप जो इनके स्ट्राइक बॉलर हैं जो शुरुआती ओवर में विकेट लेते हैं, उनको आप विकेट लेस रखो, रन्स आएंगे. और सामने वाले छोर से अगर रोहित शर्मा की निगाहें बैठ गई दादा, तो मैं कहूंगा वो जो नटराज शॉट जो खेलते हैं ना, वो शॉट लगा, क्योंकि आज नेट्स में उन्होंने कई नटराज शॉट खेले. जब रोहित ने कहा, जब एक्सप्लेन किया कि नेट्स ओपन कर दिया, उसके बाद रोहित को बल्लेबाजी देखने मिला.
विजुअल में देख भी सकते हो
जी, आप लोग विजुअल में देखिए. तो मेरे हिसाब से मुझे लग रहा है कि शुभमन गिल जो हमारा वनडे, जो हमारा T20 का रिजल्ट हो गया, उसको लोग साउथम्पटन में भूल के आए हैं. और जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, जैसे रोहित ने बताया, डिसियन विसियन जो कुछ भी हो, उसको छोड़ दीजिए. यहाँ आपको एक नया ट्रांजिशन देखने मिलेगा. और देखिए रोहित और विराट, इनका एक ही लक्ष्य है, 2027 वर्ल्ड कप में काफी अच्छा करना. उसके लिए तमाम टीम लगी पड़ी है. और रोहित और विराट भले T20 टीम का पार्ट नहीं है, लेकिन ये जो क्लीन स्वीप हुई है ना, दर्द होता है प्लेयरों को. और आप देखिएगा, रेव स्पोर्ट्स का वादा है आपसे, इस श्रृंखला जब हम आखिरी लॉर्ड्स के बाद जब हम विश्लेषण कर रहे होंगे मैच का, हमारे तमाम के चेहरे पे हंसी होगी और भारत की जीत का हम गुणगान गा रहे होंगे.
टीम तुम लोग दोनों, रोहित, यू गो फर्स्ट 11, क्या लग रहा है बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट यू सी?
So I think the batting order will be same. I think there's definitely be a discussion around Ishan Kishan, but I don't think that he'll get a position because KL is already there. So obviously top 4 we all know around Shubman Gill, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Shreyas Iyer, and then obviously there will be a KL Rahul. Then they have to think that whether they want someone like a Suryan Shedge as far as the seam bowling all-rounder is concerned. He is, I think. And then you have, your Akshar Patel is there. Washington Sundar is also part of that. Shivam Dube is also part of that. So whether you have to take a seam bowling all-rounder or you can go with multiple spinners, like Kuldeep Yadav will already be a part of it. And then you can add either Akshar Patel or a Washington Sundar. So now Akshar Patel is important because you have already left Ravindra Jadeja. Now Ravindra Jadeja, I really don't know. They haven't given us the complete clarity, but Australia he didn't travel. Here he is not coming. So I don't think that he'll be part of the New Zealand travel side.
On the red ball, which I got to.
Faster bowlers, you reckon both Bumrah and Gurnoor?
I guess Prince Yadav will also out and out. He will also get the chance because condition.
There's Prasidh also and there's Arshdeep. Yeah. So I think Arshdeep can come into the picture. So 3 seamers if you're going with Jasprit Bumrah, Gurnoor, Brar, and then you have
then you have a full-fledged batting lineup.
So yeah, that will they go with a Shivam Dube also, especially in 50 over part? That we have to see, and then the kind of fielding he has.
So if it is 5 तक तो हो गया, रोहित, विराट, शुभमन, श्रेयस अय्यर एंड राहुल, राइट, ये 5. इसके बाद अगर हम लोग अक्षर पटेल ले लेते हैं 6, एंड देन आप लोगों ने 3 फास्टर बॉलर्स बोला, इसका गुरनूर ब्रार, जसप्रीत बुमराह, अर्शदीप सिंह 9, कुलदीप यादव डेफिनेटली 10. सो एक ही स्पॉट है जो शिवम दुबे या वाशिंगटन सुंदर या
बैट्समैन खिलाना चाहते हो एक्स्ट्रा, तो वो भी हो सकता है.
वो कौन हो सकता है अगर बैट्समैन खिलाएगा तो ईशान.
But it is then too low for him. If he's coming at number 6, then it's too low for him. But I don't think that I don't think anybody will mind that.
Either
getting a
Shivam.
game.
Either Washington or Shivam.
But Shivam already, I think, will be a part of that. I think that is as a seam bowling all rounder because it's
पता चल जाएगा. आज हमें पता चलेगा रादर जब हम जा रहे हैं. तब आज हमें पता लगेगा.
So that is the overall picture. That is the overall picture. We will keep giving you all the updates. See, the point is what has happened with the T20 series has happened. Let me put it this way. None of us want a loss, but the loss is not the end of the world because India has won many bilateral series. So they have now lost one. This is a different team, a different format, and a different start. And this will lead you to the World Cup of 27. So back your team. If they lose, we will constructively criticize, but we will not go overboard because that's not what is wanted. We will back the team irrespective. We back the team for the women's also. We ask the question, should Amol stay? Should Harman stay? And look, they are winning the red ball today. So we will support the team irrespective, for that's what we want to do. So on behalf of Amit, Rohit, me, Trisha will join us tonight and celebrate the women's win with us. So all the very best. Keep watching Rev Sports. Follow us in Hindi, in Bangla, and of course in English. From Birmingham, signing off for the moment. Keep watching our broadcast. Thank you very much.